I am leaving Victoria Falls today, the town Victoria Falls, and I'm going back to Kasane, where my motorbike is. My next overnight stop is Nata. Now this morning I'm going to walk into Vic Falls just to give you an oversight of what this little town is like. See you later. Cheers. So this is what I would say more or less where the little town starts. Parkway Drive, and then lots of shops that I'm going to walk past and just check what it looks like. Gives the feeling of Dullstroom or any of those tourist towns in Pretoria. Okay, let's go. I'm a bit early for the businesses, but this place, I think it's a Creamy Inn. It was buzzing yesterday, last night when we came past here. I went on a dinner cruise. We came back past this place and it was just people queuing up. I'm not sure if it was for pizza, chicken or whatever, but they are definitely popular. Yeah, I think I'm a bit early for the businesses, but I'll still walk around and show you what this place looks like. I tried to exchange money, but I actually forgot in which country I was. I don't know why, but I thought I was in Botswana, but I'm in Zimbabwe. So trying to exchange Namibian dollar for Botswana pula in Zimbabwe is not going to happen. They say they don't even take Namibian dollar. So but I'll get back to Kasane and there I'll do it. And I've been told these guys with the huge loads on their bicycles come from Zambia. They bring fresh fruit and veggies and stuff, and they cycle all the way from Zambia to Zim, sell it here, and here they buy household items like washing powder and stuff, and they take it back to Zambia. Quite interesting. I've seen a lot of them yesterday. Bicycles piled high. Oh, there's the guy who stays at the same place as I do with his motorbike, a French guy. He's got a French number plate. At the end of the day, I settled at Marula. Good morning everybody. Today is the 27th of March, the 27th day of my trip, and I did an overnight at Nata Lodge. What a beautiful place. It is so nice. Cabins are beautiful. They've got a nice restaurant where I ate last night and this morning, and this is my cabin on poles for as little impact on the ecosystem as possible, I presume. And of course there's the star of the show, my beast scooter. Okay, and this is the inside of my unit. Really cozy and nice. Spent a good night in this bed, slept like a log, and feel like a fresh tree this morning. But look at this nice outside shower. It's such a nice warm shower this morning, and sure, very nice. Anyways, I'm going to pack again. Slight change to my plans. I'm going to try and see if I can make the border crossing today and push through to Pretoria, and yeah, let's see how it goes. I have stopped for some petrol close to the Stockport border crossing, and this is what it looks like. And this is the friendly man who served me with petrol. And what is this place called? What? Okay, say again. Ah, sharp. Thanks, man. Look at that. Welcome to South Africa. Good morning everybody. I'm safely back home in Pretoria. Thursday morning when I got up in Nata, someone in a table close to me mentioned that they are going through to Pretoria and it's just over 800 kilometers. And I thought, 800 is not too bad. It's not a short distance, but I can do it. It was a long push for the day, 830 k's. And but I made it. I arrived home in Pretoria at about 6:30 p.m. the evening, and just as well because the next day it was raining in Pretoria and I would have encountered some rain. So but I'm back, and a little bit of statistics on the trip. I did 6,250 kilometers, all in all most enjoyable. Angola was a bit of a disappointment. It is not visitor orientated, but the Caprivi, Namibia, Caprivi, the houseboat at the Chobe River, Vic Falls, what a pleasure. And to drive through Botswana, roads was okay, nothing to complain. And obviously back in South Africa, the roads was good. And yeah, I've arrived back. As I say, 6:30 p.m. on Thursday. Beautiful ride. So if I anticipate the next trip, maybe down to Cape Town, I'll have to invest in a better GoPro to be able to give more footage from the road. But in any case, it was done. All the best. See you in the next trip. Cheers.